Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.4, problem number 5. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve root 5 is an irrational number. In this session, we are going to discuss 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Real Numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 1.4, problem number 5. The given problem is, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. So we need to show 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number we need to show. For this problem, we have to use proof of contradiction. So proof of contradiction too, we can show 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So let us start. Let us assume, on the contrary, that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. 2 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Then so 3 plus 2 root 5 is of the form. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational we took. Means 3 plus 2 root 5 is of the form a by b. So here where a comma b are integers. Here a comma b are integers. Now you can take 3 plus 2 root 5 equal a by b. A by b. So here this is the 3 plus 2 root 5 equal a by b. A by b means it is the rational form. This 3 you can transpose to right side. So 2 root 5 equal a by b minus 3. So 2 root 5 equal, here you can take the LCM. LCM we are getting b. Here denominator nothing. Nothing means we are getting b into 1, b only we are getting. So numerator a as it is into b table. Here denominator is b. b in 1s are b minus 3. Numerator 3 as it is. Here denominator nothing. Nothing means 1. Means 1 into b, b. So 2 root 5 equal 1 into a minus 3 into b, b, 3b by b. This 2 you can transpose to right side. So root 5 equal a minus 3b by 2b. So here we got right side a minus 3b by 2b. So what is a and b here? A and b are integers. Here it is the form of rational. Rational means this RHS is rational, means this LHS. LHS means here root 5 is also a rational, but which is contradicts to the fact. So that our root 5 is an irrational number. So that one we can write now. Since a comma b are integers, a comma b are integers. So a comma b are integers means a minus 3b by 2b is a rational. This RHS is rational. So root 5 also. So root 5 also rational. Root 5 also rational. But this is contradicts to the fact. But this contradicts to the fact that root 5, here LHS root 5 and root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. So root 5 is irrational means hence our assumption is wrong. Hence our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong means what we took the assumption 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational we took. That is wrong means the given one is right or not. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational. That is an irrational. Hence proved. Hence proved. For exercise number 1.4, we can use same steps, same process only we need to go. So, if you are understanding one problem, you are getting remaining problems. So, you can, while seeing time, while watching time, you can concentrate. Once you have to do the work, then only you are getting how it is the process. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. We have seen how to solve 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. In the next video, we will see same type of problem, that is prove that root p plus root q is an irrational number. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.